like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Hey everyone, so today's wig comes from Panala Hair, and here's how their wig came packaged, which I really like. It's super convenient if you're a traveler or something of that sort. This packaging is top tier for that. Here's all that came with my order, and jumping right into the unit, the knots came pre-bleached. The lace was already pre-cut. There was a band already attached on the inside, and this cap is a lot different because it doesn't include wig combs, so it makes it super duper comfortable for those who don't or are not fond of wig combs. If you don't like them, this wig cap is for you. The wig is 22 inches long and the density is about 180%. I went ahead and decided that I was going to just go ahead and style the wig. It already came bleached. The lace was already cut. The band was already attached. There was literally nothing else for me to do aside from giving this hair a silk press and parting it to my liking.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
So if you're not new here, you know that the hot comb and the wax stick combo is my go-to in order to have a laid closure. Like these two put together just create the best overall effect for getting a laid and a flat looking closure. I don't like to have like a helmet head. It's bad already that I don't really like to braid my hair flat enough. So something has to be flat, and it's gonna be the wig. So here I am just using the two together to pretty much get my parting in place. I'm just molding the hairs into place so that they'll fall how I want them to fall. So yeah, definitely grab a wax stick. I do have them available on my website, and get your hot comb together just so that you're not giving helmet head and you're giving a laid and flat install every time.
My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
So we have our closure laid, and here I'm just debating about doing baby hairs and trying to see how the style that I want to go for, how it would look. But yeah, moving on to the actual silk press. I'm using my Kaposi flat iron that I get off from Amazon. Any single time that I am doing a silk press, 9 times out of 10 I am using this flat iron. It really just gets the job done. It gets super hot super quick, and I've had this flat iron for going on 4 years now. It just works great, and I'll have it linked on my storefront if you all are interested.
In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it felt like days.
So the hair is silk pressed and the closure is laid and parted all the way to the side, and now it's time to install this wig. I did opt out to do a very deep side part in this closure only because it's a lot of parting space, so why not? I'm always doing a middle part hairstyle, and I figured let's do a side part and let's really showcase just how versatile these larger closures can be.
I don't know.
Now, once I found exactly where I wanted the wig to lay and sit on my head, I went ahead and I did a simple swoop hairstyle.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
I wore the wig like this for a few days, and then I got bored with it and decided to add in some baby hairs and clean it up just a little bit by spraying some holding spray, just so that the side swoop could stay and look clean and well put together. Now, Although I styled it this way, I use absolutely no glue to achieve this hairstyle. There's no spray, no adhesive, nothing whatsoever. And this closure wig is super versatile, and I wanted to part it down the middle just to show you guys how easy and simple it is to change your parting. So just like as you would with the lace frontal, you can be as versatile with this lace closure because of all of that parting space. So you can part it off to either side, down the center. You can do the half up, half down. Your styling options are limitless, just as you would be with a lace frontal, except you don't have to worry about the hassle of maintaining a lace frontal install versus this 7x5 closure wig. And as you guys can see, it is super laid. I love how I was able to just part this wherever, and I did not need any adhesive, no glue, and my side part is still intact. Like, look at it, it's not going anywhere. But I was still able to get two parts out of one install, out of one closure, and I am glad that they're starting to listen to us and know that, hey, we want more versatility, but we still don't want to use glue. But because I am in my side part era, I am going to go ahead and hot comb the hair back into place. I just wanted to make sure that I showed you guys just how versatile you can be with this lace closure wig. There are so many styling options. I just love a good little bust down or a side part. I like to keep it simple, but I'll be sure to leave all the information and details to this unit in the description area, along with any available coupon codes so that you guys can save at checkout. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.